GlowDrop Tanning Drops are marketed as a revolutionary way to get a natural-looking tan without sun exposure. But the real question is, do the results actually match the claims, or is the marketing creating unrealistic expectations? Now, to be fair, some ingredients found in tanning supplements and drops may slightly influence skin tone or help skin appear healthier. However, that's very different from producing a noticeable sun-kissed tan. What it does well: easy to use. The drops can be added to water or a daily routine without much effort. Some users report a subtle glow. A portion of customers say their skin appeared slightly warmer or healthier looking after consistent use. Where the hype falls apart, the results are often far more subtle than advertised. This is the biggest issue. Many users who expected a noticeable tan report seeing little to no visible change. There is limited scientific evidence for dramatic tanning effects. Natural tanning occurs through melanin production triggered by UV exposure, and there is little evidence that drinkable drops can reliably create the same effect. Negative reviews raise concerns. Independent reviews frequently mention disappointing results, shipping issues, subscription complaints, and customer service frustrations. So, do the results match the claims? Short answer: not for most people. Some users may notice a subtle improvement in skin tone or appearance, but the dramatic bronze glow shown in advertisements appears difficult to achieve in the real world. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.